Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay on newspapers. Newspapers are necessity of modern life. They play a very important role in society. They have their uses and abuses. The uses of newspapers are many. First, the newspapers keep us in touch with the current world affairs. Without them, we cannot know the important news. They make us feel that we are part of the living world. They supply us news from every part of world. Secondly, a great deal of information is supplied to us by the newspaper. Important decisions of law courts are published for the benefits of lawyers. The sportsman finds in them the news of his own liking. Commercial news are published for businessmen. The advertisements help the people to buy things. The unemployed can look up the wanted columns for vacant jobs. Thirdly, the newspapers keep the public and the government in close contact. The authorities come to know of the desire of the people through newspapers. The people get aware of the policies and schemes of the government through newspapers. Lastly, newspapers have their educative values also. Readers of a good newspaper are more intelligent and better informed than scholars. In newspapers, we find reviews on newly published books. There are useful articles on every topic. Newspapers can do a lot of harm also. By publishing false news, they can mislead the people. They can make the people nervous and excited. They can set one group of people against another. By printing naked pictures and love stories, they can be a danger to morals of the society. Sometimes newspapers accept bribes and become tools in the hands of wicked persons. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Allah Hafiz.